This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Derek Westley. If you are looking for a home that is offering modern features, a great floor plan, and great curb appeal, this is it. This 5-bedroom home built by LGI Homes in 2016 has a contemporary decor in the kitchen that has plenty of counter and cabinet space for those who love to cook. The master en-suite located on the first level of the home is spacious, has a walk-in closet and lots of storage. The property also has a family room downstairs and a game room upstairs that will be great for those family gatherings. The backyard is simply enormous with a wood deck. There are also lenders offering $0 down payment loan programs for this property. Give me a call for more details, or to view this great property. For more information, review the details below or contact Derek.